Now that you've learned the terms BPM, rhythm, groove, and the names of key instruments like snare, hi-hat, and kick drums, we are going to use the Soundtrap interface to apply all of these concepts. After this short video, you will know all you need to know to start recreating beats from all your favorite hit songs, or to make your own original beats. Today we're going to recreate the beat from the hit song I'm Not the Only One by Sam Smith. What is Soundtrap? Soundtrap is a free digital audio workstation that allows you to create music on your computer. All the hit songs you hear today are created in a similar way, with producers recording sounds into their computer and then arranging them using a digital audio workstation. After you've made a free account with Soundtrap and entered the music studio, you will see this screen. We select the Music tab, and then we select Add New Track. This pop-up box presents us with a host of creative options, and I encourage everyone to try them all out. For today, let's select Drum and Beats. What we now see is the area where we enter our beat. It's best to think of this grid area as 4 groups subdivided by 4. So group 1 divided by 4, group 2 divided by 4, group 3. And when I say group 1, I really mean beat 1, and beat 2, beat 3. To the left of the grid, we see our key instruments for our beat: kick, snare, hi-hat. We can add other drum sounds by clicking Add, but let's stick with our core 3 sounds for I'm Not the Only One. Now let's have a quick listen to the beat we're recreating. Okay, the first step is to know what speed or BPM this beat is in. A quick Google search reveals the BPM is 82. So let's adjust our Soundtrap BPM. Where it says 120, we want to click so the tempo BPM pop-up box appears. Adjust the number to 82, then click Confirm. We can now enter our beat into the grid area. We do this simply by clicking on any of the gray squares. When we select one, you see it lights up. In the I'm Not the Only One beat, we heard the kick drums on beat 1 and beats 3, and the snare on beats 2 and 4. The hi-hat has a consistent pattern that plays with both the kick and the snare and also in between them. And now we go down to this tab on the lower left of your screen and find the play button to hear back our beat. You'll notice the sound of the drums was more acoustic in the song. So if you go to this tab and click, you can actually change the sound of the kit. We can go to Kits and find the acoustic kit Sticky Jazz. That's definitely closer. Now you can recreate another beat from any other song you know. First, listen to the hit song beat, find the BPM, identify where the kick, snare, and hi-hats are placed, then listen back to your beat, and adjust if necessary.